Dear friend, it is easy to feel overwhelmed by the weight of loneliness. But remember, even in these times, you possess an inner strength that can light up darkness in every corners of your heart. You are not defined by your circumstances, but by your resilience, your compassion, and your capacity to find beauty in the simplest of things. Every day is a new opportunity to discover more about yourself. Embrace this time to nurture your passions, explore new interests, and reconnect with the dreams you may have set aside. You have within you a wellspring of creativity and potential awaiting to be tapped. Write, paint, read, even dance. Whatever brings you joy and allows your spirit to soar. These activities are not just pastimes, they are pathways to self-discovery and fulfillment. Loneliness can often feel like an endless tunnel, but even the longest tunnels have light at the end. Take this time to build a deeper relationship with yourself. Practice self-care, practice kindness, and remember to treat yourself with the same compassion you so freely give to others. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem, and recognize the courage to take each day and look at each day with hope. Reach out to others, even if it feels daunting. There are countless people who will be grateful to share a moment, a story, or even a laugh with you. Join a club, girl, volunteer, or simply strike up a conversation with someone new. Human connections, even fleeting ones, can bring warmth and a sense of belonging. And remember, darling, it's okay to ask for help. There are people in life who care deeply about you and would be more than willing to lend a listening ear or a helping hand. Taking comfort in the beauty of nature and the world around you is a blessing. A walk in the park, the sound of birds singing, the sight of flowers bloom, all these small wonders can remind you of the endless circles of renewal and growth. Nature has a way of healing and providing perspective, showing us that life is always in motion and nothing stays the same forever. In your quiet moment, honey, reflect on your strength you have shown throughout your life. You have overcome challenges, you have faced fears, and you continue to move forward. You are a queen. This is a testimony to your enduring spirit. Loneliness is just a chapter in everyone's story. I've been there. It is not the entire narrative of your life. Believe in your ability to find happiness and connections, just like I did. For they are not distance, but they are dreams that can be attainable and be a reality. Remember that you are loved, valued, and important. Your presence in this world makes a difference. If it doesn't, and if you don't feel that way, start feeling like that. Your kindness, your laughter, and your unique perspectives are gifts that enrich the lives of those around you. Look at me. I come on this YouTube every day. Not every day, but I talk to you, even though you can't see me, because I feel like I have something to give. And I think you do as well. Hold on to hope, for it is a powerful force. Trust that this day is ahead, and hold on to the promise that the loneliness that you feel now will eventually give way to the moments of joy and companionship. I was there for a long time. Until then, darling, take solace in knowing that you are not alone in this journey. There are so many women out there who are going through the same thing and who came out at the other side and who will still come out at the other side. Many have walked this path before and they have emerged stronger. So will you. With warm thought and unwavering belief in your strength, I wish you well.